I just replaced the belts on this Sears Craftsman home sharpener. Model number 319.190710. Serial number is B9436, I believe that says. Made in China, of course. These came out around 1980, so roughly 46 years old. Anyway, the belt was all disintegrated, so I tore it apart a few days ago. Put both belts on, brand new. Believe it or not, I found them on Amazon, like everything else I get. And compared to the old ones, which were some kind of rubber intertwined with nylon string and glue, ugh, what a mess. They had just disintegrated completely off, and inside of these little grooves and these valleys here I thought it was a bunch of dead bugs. But anyway, speaking of 1980s, that's my 1980 Radio Shack talking clock. Never sounded as good as this. Oh, I might have to do a little adjusting here. That belt looks like it's going to pop off. Let's see if I reverse it. Aha! And the reverse it goes back on the other way. Well, as long as it doesn't pop off, I'll be good. Alright, that's it.